chicken and mushrooms. So let's start.
First, we are taking a pan of boiling water to which we will add about 150 grams of fettuccine pasta. We will boil this just firm to the bite. Now we will add about 1 or 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Once this is boiled, we would drain it and then set it aside. While our pasta is boiling, we will marinate about 150 grams of boneless chicken with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix this well and set aside. Just checking on our fettuccine to see if it's al dente. Heat a pan and first ingredient that goes in is bacon. This is completely optional. I have not taken any oil as the bacon will release its fat while cooking. After the bacon has fried for a minute or two, we will transfer this to a plate. Here, if you have not used bacon, you can add a tablespoon of oil to start frying the chicken. Into the same pan, we will next add the marinated chicken until it is slightly fried. Now that the chicken has fried as well, let's transfer it to the plate. Yes, now we are adding that dollop of butter. Butter makes everything so good. And a tablespoon of oil. In go the onions. Give this a nice mix and fry until slightly browned. Now that the onions are slightly brown, we will add about 5 to 6 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Fry this for a minute. Next goes in 12 to 15 mushrooms that we have sliced. Stir this well and allow it to cook on high flame for a minute or two. Now that the mushrooms have cooked, bring the flame to low, adding in 1 full glass of milk. To this, we would also add half a cup of fresh cream. Give this a good nice mix, combining all together. We would now add in half a teaspoon of pepper and some salt for seasoning. Yes, half a bowl of cheese that goes in. Wow. Now in goes about 2 tablespoons of coriander. Mixing it. Then we would add in the bacon and the chicken that we had fried initially. Mix this well. Next, I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of diced sun-dried tomatoes. These tomatoes really take the dish to the next level. Do not skip them. Now add 10 sliced black olives. Mixing this well again. Simmer this for about 2 minutes and then we would add in our fettuccine pasta. Now gently combining the fettuccine with the sauce. Need to incorporate everything very well. Now for the seasoning, we are adding a little bit of oregano and chili flakes as per your taste. Giving this a mix again. We will allow it to settle for a minute and then switch off the flame. Your creamy fettuccine pasta is ready. Now let's serve this in a bowl. This looks delicious. Let's garnish it with some coriander and have a bite of it now.
This is simply delicious, out of the world. If you have enjoyed the video, do give us a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you will receive all the interesting recipes. See you soon. Ciao.